Hello students, in this video we are going to study chapter 3 of science and the topic is synthetic fibers and plastics. And the objective of this video is to understand what is fiber and to know the types of fiber. So students, have you ever thought the clothes that you wear every day, which material is it made up of? So if you see it carefully, you'll find there are so many fine thread-like structures which are woven to make your clothes. So these fine thread-like structures which are interwoven to make fabric or clothes, these fine thread-like structures are called fiber. So now you can wonder what is fiber. So the answer is a fiber is a thread-like material which is woven into fabric and different items like ropes and nets etc. Fibers are used to make your cloth, not only clothes but some other materials like ropes and nets etc. Now the fibers that we use to make the fabric and clothes, they can be of two types. Okay, there are two types of fibers available to make fabric. The first one is natural fiber and the another one is synthetic fiber. These categories of the fibers are actually based upon the sources from where we get the fiber. Natural fiber is the fiber that we obtain from the plants and animals, hence they are called natural fibers. For example, cotton, silk, wool, jute etc. Now you can say the fibers which we obtain from the sources which are natural, means the fibers that we get from the plants and animals, these fibers are called natural fibers. For example, the cotton fiber we collect from the cotton plant, and the silk fiber, you may know that the silk fiber we get from the silkworm. Now here there are some natural fibers and their sources. Okay, now here the cotton fiber, this cotton fiber we collect from the cotton plant. Okay, the second one is silk fiber that we get from the silkworm, and you know very well the wool fiber which we wear in the winter season, that we get from the animals like sheep, camel and etc. Okay, the jute fiber that we get from the jute plant, and the linen fiber, this is also a natural fiber, we get it from the plant which is known as flax plant. Okay, now you can say the natural fibers are categorized into two categories. Okay, the first fiber which we get from the plants, the source is that fiber is plant, and the another one is that we get from the animals. So here you can see in natural fiber that we get from the plants like cotton, jute, linen etc., and the fibers, natural fibers which we get from the animals like silk and wool.